what has been known now for a while in Bihar is now official. Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal United is no longer the big brother in Bihar. Earlier, the Janata Dal United would fight many more seats than the BJP, but in this election, it's virtually 50-50. Add to this is the sudden move that has completely overturned political equations in Bihar, with Ram Vilas Paswan's LJP party, which is part of the NDA, saying they are going to break away, not from the NDA, but they're going to break away and fight against Nitish Kumar's JDU, but they are still with the BJP. The JDU says we're part of the NDA and we're also with the BJP. The BJP says that they are part of the NDA, they're with the JDU, but they still have to make up their mind about what they are going to do as far as the Paswan party, the LJP, is concerned. So it's a complete khichdi as far as this is concerned. But the question this is raising is whether all of this is being done to, in a sense, undermine Nitish Kumar, that in the event that he doesn't end up with more seats than the BJP after the election. Right now, he's the chief ministerial face of the NDA. That's fine. But after the election, if the numbers are not enough for him, especially now with the LJP fighting against him, not fighting against the BJP, then could there be some sort of a coup when Nitish Kumar is out and then somebody else, presumably from the BJP, comes in? Let's listen in to what Chirag Paswan of the LJP had to say, justifying why they've decided to go against their own ally, Nitish Kumar.
उम्मीद बहुत थी हमारे आज के मौजूदा मुख्यमंत्री जी से, मेरी खुद की बहुत उनसे उम्मीदें थी, अपेक्षाएं थी, पर 2005 से लेकर 2020 तक का अगर आप उनका कार्यकाल देखें तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि जितनी उम्मीदें मुझे एक बिहारी होने के नाते या बिहार की जनता को थी, उन उम्मीदों पर वो खरा उतर पाए हैं। आज की तारीख में मेरे लिए चिंता का विषय है कि हमारे मौजूदा मुख्यमंत्री जी की विकास की सोच क्या है, पर अगर आप मूलभूत जरूरतों का भी अगर आप जिक्र करते हैं तो गांव में धरातल पर वो उतरती हुई नहीं दिखती।
All right, joining us tonight on Reality Check, we have with us KC Tyagi, Secretary General Spokesperson of the JDU, Ajay Kumar, National Spokesperson of the LJP, Aarti Jairath, Senior Journalist, is with us, and also Dr. Manoj Rajoria, BJP MP of the Lok Sabha. Aarti Jairath, if you could just try to first explain to us this bharta that is being cooked in Bihar with the NDA. What is this about? Is this essentially this kind of, everyone knows has been talked about to basically, in a sense, checkmate Nitish Kumar? Till the elections, he's safe. After the elections now, it's all wide open.
Absolutely. I think the primary objective of this move is basically to downsize Nitish Kumar as much as possible. And this has been brewing for quite some time. We've known the LJP has been consistently attacking Nitish Kumar. And we've known that the BJP has, silently encouraged the LJP to do this. Chirag Paswan has been leading the charge. So I think that is the primary objective. But Vasud, I think there is a second, objective as well. I think, the younger generation, that is Chirag Paswan, who is Ram Vilas Paswan's son, Tejasvi Yadav, who is Lalu Prasad Yadav's son, I think they are preparing the ground for a post Nitish Kumar, post Ram Vilas Paswan, post Lalu Prasad Yadav scenario.
Right.
And, I think this election is going to see both of them, leading, the battle on behalf of their parties.
Right.
And we'll have to see really whether they, come out victors or losers, or, how well they are able to establish themselves as leaders, because there is this huge vacuum that is going to develop in Bihar.
Okay. So that's interesting, Aarti. That's phase 2. Phase 1 seems to be, as you say, completely wrap up Nitish Kumar and tie him up in knots. KC Tyagi ji, is this very clear? This is almost seems to be, Tyagi ji, some kind of almost deal that has happened between Amit Shah and Chirag Paswan to undermine your leader, Nitish Kumar. Tyagi ji. KC Tyagi ji.
अमित शाह जी, जैन प्रेसिडेंट,
जी बोलिए.
Amit Shah ji as president of the party and as home minister. On many occasions, he is on record on saying कि बिहार का चुनाव नीतीश कुमार की लीडरशिप में लड़ा जाएगा।
हाँ,
प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने अभी पिछले सप्ताह 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा सभाओं को, वर्चुअल मीटिंग्स को एड्रेस किया और कुछ उद्घाटन किए, इनॉग्रेशन किए, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि
चुनाव तो लड़ेंगे नीतीश जी के अंदर, उसके बाद क्या होगा उसी को लेकर ये हो रहा है।
प्लीज
उसके बाद नीतीश जी का कहीं
प्लीज बासु जी प्लीज
जी।
नड्डा जी गए थे पटना, वो ये कह के आए कि इनकी लीडरशिप में चुनाव होगा नंबर 1। मुझे 30 सेकंड दे दीजिए। 2000 से लेकर 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015 एलजेपी ने कभी भी हमारे साथ चुनाव नहीं लड़ा और एलजेपी हमारे खिलाफ ही चुनाव लड़ती रही। नंबर 2। नंबर 3, बीजेपी जेडीयू का अलायंस किसी भी फॉर्मिडेबल अपोजिशन अलायंस को हराने के लिए काफी है। 2010 में 118 सीटें हमारी थी, 92 सीटें बीजेपी की थी। 2005 में ऐसी थी। और बिहार में त्रिकोणात्मक चुनाव है, जब 2 पार्टियां एक साथ हो जाती हैं, तीसरी पार्टी साफ हो जाती है।
नहीं तो एलजेपी आप कह रहे हैं
15-20 साल का
एलजेपी नहीं, जो एलजेपी कह रही है कि चिराग पासवान कह रहे हैं आई हैव लॉस्ट ऑल फेथ इन नीतीश कुमार।
नहीं, उनके पिताजी हमारे पुराने कॉमरेड हैं, बीमार हैं। मैं कोई ऐसी टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता जो इस वक्त पर जो है अच्छी ना लगे, लेकिन हम तो उनके साथ चुनाव लड़े ही नहीं है कभी भी। वो हमारे साथ कभी चुनाव में रहे ही नहीं है।
नहीं, लेकिन
इसलिए हमारे
में तो वो है,
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
नहीं पहले नहीं, बट ही आप सब तो एक साथ एनडीए में हैं, तो अब वो आप ही के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं।
नहीं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा।
इकट्ठे मीटिंग होंगी। आज कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पहले भी नहीं पड़ा, आज भी नहीं पड़ेगा, कल भी नहीं पड़ेगा।
तो
हाँ, इतना हम जरूर चाहेंगे कि लोकसभा चुनाव में भी वो इस फॉर्मूले को करके दिखाएं।
अच्छा,
विल ही रिपीट दिस फॉर्मूला इन लोकसभा इलेक्शन आल्सो?
ओके, अजय कुमार जी, नेशनल स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ एलजेपी, what exactly is the LJP doing here? Is this, you have now become part of this sort of game plan that many people believe of the BJP to unseat Nitish Kumar?
See, I mean, I find this very strange. Is it happening for the first time? Here though we are contesting against JDU. Have we not contested being in the alliance against the BJP? Just before this in Jharkhand, no hue and cry was made. Have we not contested even against BJP in Manipur, in JNK?
So, but here you are part of the NDA. You are fighting against the NDA ally. You are saying you will fight with the Modi ji ka symbol and you will show Modi ji and Mr. Paswan.
Okay. See,
they'll also show Nitish Kumar and Modi ji. What? This is what I mean.
You have.
What is this?
Let me then. Yeah, if you have completed your question, can
odd.
No, if you have, let me reply. When we contested against BJP in Jharkhand, were we not part of NDA? We were part of NDA, but maybe let's say on the status of a special status of Bihar, center is not supporting, and our state party wants the special status for Bihar. So definitely the state party in Bihar will rake up the issue, but we being at the center have to abide by the protocol.
But what is your problem with Nitish Kumar? That is what we are not able to understand.
Yeah, now you have asked the right question. Yes, let me reply. Our problem with Mr. Nitish Kumar is nothing personal. Our problem with Nitish Kumar is that he has failed to live up to the aspiration of the youth of Bihar.
In what way?
Paswan,
in what way?
I tell you, in what way? Number one way, we never agreed to this Sat Nishchay manifesto of Nitish Kumar because it was an old manifesto. So this time we were demanding that let there be a new manifesto. That is one reason of we being uncomfortable in this NDA combined. Our second issue was the way the Bihar was handled, the migrant crisis were handled.
Yes.
That we were not happy with that. Plus, on the top of it,
Acha,
we feel
KC
that
Tyagi
it
ji, I
is
want to
high
go to the
time.
rest of the panel, but before that, Tyagi ji, let Tyagi ji respond. Tyagi ji, they're openly attacking Nitish Kumar.
करेक्ट ने मैं अपने मित्र अजय कुमार जी से एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या आने वाले लोकसभा चुनाव में भी वो ये साहस दिखाएंगे कि अपने उम्मीदवारों के खिलाफ जेडीयू के उम्मीदवार खड़े हों और जेडीयू के खिलाफ एलजेपी के उम्मीदवार खड़े हों? क्या वो सिचुएशन के लिए भी तैयार रहेंगे? जिन विधानसभा का उन्होंने जिक्र किया है तो वहां तो हम भी लड़ते रहे बीजेपी से, क्योंकि और राज्यों में हमारा इससे में अलायंस नहीं है।
बिल्कुल,
लेकिन
बिल्कुल।
लोकसभा चुनाव में नीतीश कुमार की लीडरशिप में कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी, तो क्या आने वाले लोकसभा चुनाव में
हाँ, तो लेट हिम
क्या
आंसर।
मुकाबला होगा?
आपने अजय कुमार जी जवाब दीजिए।
हाँ, मैं
Answer.
जवाब दे रहा हूँ।
हाँ,
बसु साहब, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ।
हाँ,
पहला
दे।
सवाल हमारे त्यागी साहब ने कहा लोकसभा चुनाव में कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी।
हाँ।
अरे हमको आपसे व्यक्तिगत दिक्कत आज भी नहीं है।
नहीं,
हम उस वक्त
व्यक्तिगत
आप
का
आए-
बात नहीं है। Is asking you a straight question. Will you
Yeah,
dare to
my-
do the same thing in the Lok Sabha elections? Yes or no? If you have such a problem with Nitish Kumar's leadership.
See, Mr. Basu, you want to throw answer in my mouth? You are not going to get answer. If you are,
I am not throwing
you
an
are
answer.
invited-
I am asking you for an
So
answer.
listen.
You are not able to
So
answer. That's a different matter. But I am not putting any words in your mouth.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Listen to me. If you have asked the question, have the courage to listen to me.
Yes,
you are
give
a
the
senior
answer.
journalist.
Yes.
Yeah, let me answer.
Answer.
Don't interrupt in between. Don't interrupt. Okay, so the first answer is we waited because we have nothing personal in the Lok Sabha. But then we waited, we were raking up issues after
That
issues.
was not
we
the
were writing
question.
letters.
That is not the
Yeah, what
question
is
that
your
was
question?
asked.
Tell me.
Question
So
is
you-
asked for the next Lok Sabha election. Will you
Oh,
dare
my
to
dear
fight
friend.
in the same
Oh, my
formula?
dear friend. Oh, my dear friend, when the bridge will come, we will cross that bridge.
Ah,
Let's face
that's-
now.
That is the.
What is
that's
there
a,
now?
That's a classic hedge.
Yeah, when the bridge.
Okay.
Yeah, when the bridge will come, we will see.
Acha, okay. When
Now
the bridge
you ask
comes,
me
you will
what
cross
you will
it.
do. What you will do in America election? That is not the agenda of the agenda right now.
America election. Who's even talking
Yeah.
about that? Acha,
So-
Dr. Manoj Rajoria, Dr. Rajoria, BJP. Dr. Rajoria,
Yeah.
isn't this a very bizarre situation in Bihar? Your two allies are fighting against each other. Both say they want to fight with next to you, but they want to fight with each other.
So Vasuji, they are not fighting with each other. As I am hearing, both of them have their own identity, their own vision, their own voters, so that they are fighting for their own identity
No,
only.
no, but
both of them
they're directly
Please
fighting
listen to
each
me.
other.
Vasuji, please
LJP
listen
says
me.
we are putting up candidates only against JDU, not against BJP.
Vasuji, please give me sufficient time to express my views. So first of all, both of them, either you can say JDU and LJP, both have faith in Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and NDA. So both of are our allies, and both of have believe in Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is working and whatever he is doing for the poor public.
Yes,
and the
that is
development
fine.
of the as
Yes,
well as
yes.
well as in Bihar also.
Yes.
In the leadership of the Bihar, in the leadership of the Nitish Kumar ji,
Yes.
and in the country, in the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, they are working well. So I
But
think
at the Bihar level, the LJP is saying we have lost all faith in Nitish Kumar. His leadership has been terrible.
Vasuji,
just heard that.
Please understand. Vasuji, Honorable Ajay Kumar ji and Tyagi ji, they are very senior leaders, and both of them have explained that they have their own identity, their own voters, their own vision,
Yeah.
and both of them they are trying to do their best for their own voters and the betterment of the Bihar.
But then
And
there is
while
no
the
NDA in
matters-
Bihar. Then there is no NDA in Bihar.
Of course, there is NDA in Bihar. Why you are saying that NDA
who
is
is-
not in Bihar?
who is in the
there
NDA?
and
Who is in the NDA?
successfully- Sir, this is matter of the family, and in family everybody have in faith in Honorable Prime Minister and NDA.
No, but who is the NDA?
They are our brothers. Both of are our brothers. Both
Acha.
of as well as JDU and LJP are
Are
our
all
brothers.
in the NDA but fighting each other.
Of
Okay.
course.
Aarti Jairaj.
Of course, they are in NDA and they are our brothers.
Okay.
Of course, they are not fighting with each other. First of all, please.
Against each
will
other.
Just explain this
They are
one. They are
fighting
not
against each other. That is not in doubt. But Aarti Jairat,
no,
is this?
sir,
It is
sir.
confusing. But is it also? Is this a risky game that the BJP is playing, where they're trying to? It appears use the
It is not-
LJP as a sort of
Vastuji,
vote cutter.
This is my objection.
Is
This
it
is
a-
not a game. of
I'll come back to you,
BJP.
Manojji.
Vastuji, this is not a game of the BJP. Please correct
No,
it.
I'm asking
This is-
Aarti Jairat. I'm asking Aarti Jairat. She can say it is or not. I'm entitled to ask the question.
Aarti ji, he is very senior. She is very senior journalist. She can say. She can observe.
I'm asking her, Manojji, if I may now be allowed to ask my question. Is this, Aarti, a high-risk game where you're trying to do this LJP perhaps as a vote cutter? That confident you are that you're going to win the election, that you can try and sort of try to contain Nitish, have LJP and still end up with a majority?
I know. I mean, obviously the BJP is bursting with confidence. And, what is interesting is if I've been listening to the comments of all the spokespersons, although Nitish Kumar is nominally the, head of this BJP-JDU alliance, if you notice, everybody is talking about Narendra Modi as the leader. So there is a kind of, subtle, I mean, everybody's hanging on to Modi's coattails, whether it is the JDU or it is the LJP and, of course, the BJP. So in a very subtle way, Modi is being projected, being given more prominence.
Right.
And,
Then
this
Nitish
is a
Kumar.
very kind of interesting, that's right. It's a very interesting kind of power play.
Okay.
And I know, and I am absolutely certain that when the results are out, I don't know what the results are going to be because, certainly it's become quite a khichdi.
Yeah.
But, I think there's a very big question mark over whether Nitish Kumar will be the next chief minister or not.
Tyagi ji, just explain to a voter in Bihar, isn't this very confusing that you go to the voter as NDA, but one of your own members, LJP, is actually attacking Nitish Kumar, saying that he failed on the promises, he failed to tackle the migrant crisis. Very odd.
मैं आरती जी का भी, अजय कुमार जी का भी और राजौरिया जी तीनों की बातों से एग्री करता हूं कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी सबसे बड़े कद के नेता हैं। उन्होंने बिहार में पिछले 15 दिन में 1 दर्जन बार कहा है कि नीतीश जी बिहार में नेता हैं।
नहीं वो
तो मैं कहना चाहता हूं
वो अलग बात है
कि इसमें कहां कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है।
नहीं
वो मेन बात वही है जब नीतीश को
मैं कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन समझा रहा हूं, मैं कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन समझाने दीजिए मुझे।
नहीं एक सेकंड
अच्छा
एक सेकंड जब नीतीश कुमार जी के लिए वोट मांगेंगे मोदी जी बिहार के अंदर, व्हाट विल बी द सिचुएशन देन? दैट ही इज द लीडर, अंडर हिज लीडरशिप देयर विल बी इलेक्शन एंड द प्रोस्पेरस बिहार विल बी एबल अंडर द डायनेमिक लीडरशिप ऑफ नीतीश कुमार। जब मोदी जी ये कह रहे हैं, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट देन?
No, I am saying what is left is in your own ally will also be out there. Modi ji may be saying कि आप नीतीश कुमार जी के लिए वोट दीजिए और पासवान जी की पार्टी कह रही है कि नीतीश जी को वोट मत दीजिए, वो फेल हो चुके हैं। This is the contradiction.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी की अथॉरिटी ज्यादा है या किसी और नेता की अथॉरिटी ज्यादा है? ये तो आप खुद ही कह रहे हैं कि सबसे बड़े नेता मोदी जी हैं और वो खुद कह रहे हैं कि बिहार का विकास सिर्फ और सिर्फ नहीं। हाँ, मैं भी कह रहा हूं, बीजेपी वाले मेरे मित्र भी कह रहे हैं, अजय कुमार जी भी कह रहे हैं। तो जो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं उनकी बात तो मानो ना, कम से कम जो सबसे बड़े लीडर हैं।
तो
वो तो
let अजय कुमार जी रिस्पॉन्ड। अजय कुमार
कोई विवाद नहीं है।
he is kind of questioning the credibility and the political weight of LJP, saying once Mr. Modi is asking for votes for Nitish Kumar, what is LJP's view? How is your criticism going to make any difference?
Yeah, he is right. Let me answer. Tyagi ji is a senior leader and he is all within his right to question our credibility. And probably, if this would not have been the JDU stand, the situation would have been different. So somehow there is a doubt. So we said, let's go to the acid test. Let's go to the litmus test. And the people of Bihar are the final judges. Let them give judgment whether Tyagi ji is right or whether we are right. So let the people of Bihar decide.
So once
That's
the results are
simple.
out, this again, I'm trying to get my head around this. Apologies if I'm being a little slow here. You will fight with the Nitish
Vasuji,
Kumar in the
Vasuji.
elections, and after the results come out, in case they get a majority, JDU Nitish Kumar will be CM. You are okay to be part of that government?
See, right now, what is our stand? That we are contesting against JDU. So, after the election result, we would be supporting BJP.
But BJP is
We
supporting
would be-
JDU.
And
BJP is still
BJP
is still
will be supporting JDU.
No.
BJP will be
No,
supporting Nitish Kumar. Then they will
they are
support
still
Nitish Kumar and
supporting.
BJP also.
वही तो
they
क्या
are still
Vasu,
supporting.
Yeah.
Vasu, can I ask a key question to all
So
these
what is
people?
the
What
Yes.
a fun!
Yes,
What a
yes,
fun!
yes. Ek second, Aarti Jared, very quickly ask
Vasuji,
me
what a
question.
fun.
I want to ask all of them.
Yes, very
Is
quickly.
Narendra Modi going to hold joint rallies with Nitish Kumar and joint rallies with Chirag Paswan?
Yes,
That will be something very interesting to see.
with Nitish Kumar.
And Chirag
Kumar.
Paswan? What does LJP say? Will Narendra Modi have a joint rally with Chirag Paswan? After all, he's still in the NDA. And
Ajay,
he's
how
not
we
contesting
can-
against
No,
the
no,
BJP.
Kumarji?
no.
No. How we can
No.
decide on the Modi's behalf or the BJP behalf? That is the call for BJP to take. Ki whether they
अच्छा।
want to address
Rajoria
the joint rally with
Rajoria
us or
ji,
not.
क्या Modi ji will
It
Modi
has
ji
been
hold
decided.
will Modi ji hold a joint rally with Chirag Paswan?
So Vasu ji, no, you know, I am a party worker for a long time as a party karyakarta. I can say state unit ask for the senior leadership. Honorable Prime Minister never go with any
Okay.
with the demand of the state BJP. Whatever the state BJP will demand, Honorable Prime Minister can give
Okay, at
valuable
the
time
moment-
to recommendation of the state BJP.
But at the moment, I can tell you that BJP has still not decided what to do with this LJP situation, whether to even allow LJP to use Mr. Modi's face on the poster, whether Mr. Modi can come on the poster, that has not been decided.
BJP have decided for the development of the Bihar, for the service of the Bihar. BJP
Right.
have decided for the empowerment of the Bihar.
Okay.
And the alliances JDU as well as LGP.
Okay.
They are
okay.
supporting for
That
the
is
development.
that is
Yeah,
sir.
the
That is the
development of
official
Bihar.
line. But it's clear that the election results are only one step of the story. That's going to be the trailer on November 10th. The real story is only going to start after that, it looks like. Thank you all so much for joining us, and thanks so much for watching. That's all the time we have. Thanks for watching. Good night.